Today, we're not just cooking basic snags, we're going gourmet.
Make sure you stick around to the end to see our secret weapon. It'll blow you away.
Wow, that's amazing.
The first thing you'll need is a proper restaurant quality steak. We chose the Wagyu steak and 2 eye fillets. And a temperature probe.
Wagyu beef. You know it's gourmet if it's got its own security entourage. All you need is a bit of salt and heat. The salt will break down the fats, and by the time we get to the barbecue, it should be nice and ready to cook.
Once you're at your barbecue, rub in a bit of oil onto the steaks, then when the plate's nice and hot, chuck them on and stick in the temperature probe. Now make sure to set the temperature probe to medium at this stage, as it's going to go a little bit over using our method. And then we just wait.
A few moments later.
Alright, it's done. Okay, now we've got to pat it dry. As you can see, it doesn't quite have that gourmet look yet. We're going to fix that.
Firstly, lather up the steaks in a generous amount of brown sugar. And now this is the part where we pull our secret weapon out. A mini blowtorch, which you can buy at your local hardware or camping store. We're going to use this to give the steaks a nice charred finish. After about half a minute each side, they've come up quite nicely. And for a bonus tip, if you use a spatula like this, you can get some nice grill marks.
Wow, that's amazing.
One thing is for certain, with steaks like these, people are going to think you had Jamie Oliver hiding behind the bushes. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you at the next hot plate.